Discovering that a family member has backstabbed you can be very painful, especially since family is often associated with unconditional love. When this happens, it's crucial to take a step back, communicate honestly, and prioritize your health and safety. Do your best to understand the underlying reasons for their actions to help you move forward. After being backstabbed, take time to cool off before confronting them to avoid a heated argument. Find healthy ways to cope, such as exercising and spending time alone doing an activity you enjoy. Setting boundaries and cutting off contact with the family member can give you space to process your feelings. When you're ready, have a calm and honest conversation with them to work towards reconciliation. Use I statements to express your emotions without provoking defensiveness. Listen to their perspective and try to understand the reasons behind their actions. Ultimately, forgiveness is important for your own well-being and to move forward in a positive way.